Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to flip through a new sticker book that released from Amber Plans Her Day. I have a new rainbow floral sticker book that I am going to be flipping through in this video, and then I'm going to do a plan with me featuring this book. So if you love florals and you like some rainbow theme, then definitely check out this one because it has all the rainbow colors in here, which is really nice. So if you ever wanted to doing a rainbow spread is always fun, but if you want to just focus on one color, this book has the stickers you'll need for that. So let's flip through the book first, and we can see all the pretty florals in here. So here's the red section with the red florals. I love these corner pieces, and these are all clear stickers, and then you have the coordinating boxes for the florals, and then some quotes in red. Okay, on to the orange. And then the orange functional stickers and quotes. Then we have yellow. And then the functional stickers. And then the quotes. I should probably read some of the quotes, sorry. So be your own sparkle, be you, not them. And then we have some little headers, currently, priority, chores, errands. And this is all Amber's lettering, which is cool. We have green. My favorite color is green, so I love these. I love this big one right there. And then the green boxes. And then the green quotes. Stop making excuses. I will not be stopped. Make it happen. Blue section. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. I love the blues. And then the blue boxes. And then the quotes. Work for it more than you hope for it. Decisions determine destiny. See the good. And we have the purple. Really pretty purple springtime florals. The boxes. The quotes. Dreams don't work unless you do. Killing it every day. Today will be a good day. And then we have pink. Pretty pink florals. And then the boxes, the quotes, be kind, be brave, be honest, you got this, throw kindness around like confetti. And then we have, I think this is washi stickers. Yes, look at all these lovely little washi strips in this grid pattern. So nice. I like this. So you get lots of little strips here. Okay, and these will go, like these grid pattern ones will go with all of the floral colors in this book. So that is Rainbow Florals Volume 2. It's currently available right now to purchase. I will have Amber's website linked down in my description, and I also have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. So now that I've flipped through this, I'm going to do a plan with me. I actually want to do a daily sheet. I have some daily sheets here. I have a busy week this week, so I just kind of want to focus on some daily sheets, do some daily sheets just to get myself a little bit more organized. So I'm going to do 2 daily sheets, and then for this week, I'll do some more later, but in this video I'm going to do 2 featuring this book. And I kind of want to start off with green since Monday is St. Patrick's Day, so I feel like the Monday spread should be green, and then I'll do a different color on the back. But this book has all the stickers that I will need to make to decorate this up a little bit more, because I always like to add some stickers onto these just to make them a little bit more fun. So I will do that here. So we have this floral one right here, which I think maybe I'll add it in this corner. I feel like with these pages, a little goes a long way when it comes to the decor, because I like to be mindful of the spacing, and I don't want to cover up too much with decorative stickers, but I want to get decor on here because that is always the best part about planning, is all the fun decor you get to put on here. But I also want to focus on the function, which I have a lot of nice boxes here to add more functional stickers, organize myself a little bit more. So I think I want to do this long little list here. I'll do it here, going into these boxes. And then I'll do a box here. Just making my own little setup over here. And then I like to just break up some of these areas a little bit. So we can do, we'll do a box here. I'm gonna get a smaller box and just add one here. This, I never use this because it's self-care, but I want this just to be more functional. So let's see if I can find something to cover that up. I have these square boxes, which I can use to cover this up. And then let me just wipe this out. I like this little reminders little section, so I'm just gonna do a little checklist underneath it. Little checklist reminder here. A little crooked, that's okay. Yeah. Let me add some more decor, some little floral elements. So I have this long piece right here. It's already cut on the top, so I think this will be good over here. Doesn't take up too much room, and I can actually scoot it up a little bit more so it's like not going into the writing space. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off here. And then maybe I can add some florals in here. So I got these smaller pieces. Kind of want to do one here just to break up this a little bit more. Okay. Now let's see about getting a quote on here. Okay. Oh, and then I have all of these little things. Okay. So I want to first put a quote. I think I want to do this one. I think this is a good shape. So this will fit over here. It says, if you can dream it, you can do it. That fits nicely there. And then let's do some headers. Okay, I'm actually going to cover these up and use these over here just to get some more of this green on the page. Oops. So we'll put today here. And then this one said reminder, so I'm going to put reminder here. And my tweezers. Okay, we got reminder. And then I'll change priorities here. Priority. Oops. Okay, so that all fits very nicely on the page. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Looks really pretty. Okay, now let's go to this side and decorate this one. I kind of want to use the blue because I think the blue is really pretty. So I really love this piece, but you know what? I'm going to focus on this one first. Try to do it a little bit different than what I did on the other side, so it's not exactly the same, but if you want to, like if you're a little pressed for time and you just want to decorate a spread, you could always, again, take this book, it'll look different because it's a different color scheme, but basically place all the boxes in the exact same spot. So that way you have like a duplicate spread over here, but it's a different color, so it'll feel a little bit different. But I'm gonna try to do things a little bit differently on this side. So we'll first start off with this one down here on the bottom, and then I think I'll cover this up with this. This sticker will cover that circle piece. I think I'm gonna have to white out this whole thing, which is fun. Okay, I'm gonna try to write this out as easily as I can. It's not gonna look pretty, but I'm gonna cover it up with a sticker, so I think it should be fine. Oh, I forgot this part. All right, so now that that's covered up, I'm just gonna cover it up with a sticker. So you can't tell as much that I did that. So that's good. And then let's get the long sticker. Instead of putting it here, I think I'm gonna put it here. I put it over here, right? Yeah, okay. So let's put this over here. Oop, almost put it down the wrong way. Okay, so that one will go here, and then I still have room here to write in things, but then I have another little list section there. Let's do, I'm gonna do little headers on this with these little ones here. So we'll do blue and this light blue. All right, I wanted to do a checklist, but maybe not. Okay, let's do a box situation here. So I'm gonna grab a box and then some florals. Let's do this one. And kind of want to place it here. And then I'm gonna do some bullet points going down. I didn't use bullet points on the other side, but I want to use them here. And I'll do the dark blue. We'll do like a top 3, or just 3, a list of 3. Okay, do I have room for a quote? Maybe a quote here, since it's a little bit blocked by the sticker. Could do a quote maybe here if I could find one that fits. Ooh, this one's a good one because it's thin. So, see the good. I like the font on this one, so pretty. So, see the good. Okay, and then I'm gonna do something over here. You know what? The one thing I am gonna do the same is just cover these up with the headers from this book, because I like the look of that. Get more of the color around. So this one was today, but I can change up the wording. So let's do top 3 for this area since it's numbered 3. Top 3 for this. This we will put reminder. Oh, and I gotta put the washi down. That'll be my last thing. And then this one will be to do. Actually, I'm gonna do errands. Errands over here. Okay, that looks really pretty. And then we got the green side, and then the blue side. And then I'm gonna go to the washi and put some washi down. Because like I said, this will work for all the spreads. A little grid washi. I'm just gonna add a few pieces here and there. Okay, let's do, and look how there's so much of this in here, which I love. Love, love, love seeing that. Put some here because this is like a little bit open there. And then I'll put some, I kind of want to break this up a little bit, so we'll put some here. Cover up that dot. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll just use that piece there because I had it. I didn't want to throw it out. All right, so grid washi done on that side. Now let's add the grid here. Again, lots of nice little pieces. So let's do this one. We'll leave a little space for the date. This piece. Let's do it. Okay, I need another piece. It's a little bit longer. Okay. And I kind of want to put one here too. Perfect. Looks good. All right, so we got 2 different sides, and then you could go through like the whole week. So this would be Monday page, Monday currently page, Tuesday currently page, then Wednesday can be a different color, Thursday can be a different color, and so on, because there are enough colors to do that. So that is going to be it. Look how, I love the washi. The washi looks really good on there. But yeah, that is going to be it. That is me using the new rainbow sticker book from Amber Plans Your Day, but definitely check it out if you're looking for some fun rainbow colored florals, and also function, and super easy to use these. One book, sticker books, love that. Has all the things you need in this book. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.